If you feel tired, bloated, or low on energy, if your weight feels harder to manage than it used to, and if sugar cravings seem stronger, especially after 40 or 50, this video is for you. Today I'm going to talk about sugar, not in a dramatic or restrictive way, but in a smart, science-based way. I am Liliane Roux, health coach and founder of Healthy Over 50. In this video, I will show you where sugar is really hiding, how it impacts energy, hormones, and weight, and how to make smarter choices without cutting joy from food. What is one food or one drink that contains more sugar than most people think? Kit Kat? Donuts, Oreo biscuits, ice cream, candies, and sweet, Coca-Cola, cookies, cereals. Let's start with something important. Sugar provides no nutrients, no vitamins, and no minerals. It's highly addictive. Over time, this contributes to weight gain, diabetes, fatigue, mood swings, and premature aging. Sugar is rapidly absorbed and it spikes blood sugar very quickly. So when you eat refined sugar, your blood sugar rises fast, insulin is released, excess sugar is stored first in the liver and then as fat. And over time, it contributes to weight gain. The second problem is refined sugar causes quick rises in blood sugar. Insulin is released to help move that sugar in the cell. So if this happens too often, the cells become less responsive to insulin, which can lead to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. After 40 or 50, estrogen changes affect insulin sensitivity. Muscle mass naturally declines. Blood sugar regulation becomes less efficient. This means the same sugar you tolerated at 30 now hits harder. You have more cravings, more belly fat, more energy crashes. And this is not a lack of willpower. It is just the way your body works now. Sugar hides in breakfast cereals, flavored yogurts, smoothie and fruit juices, bread, pasta sauce, and even your salad dressings. And don't forget your flavored coffees and lattes. If sugar is the first 3 ingredients on the label, think twice. And anything ending in O's, syrup, is sugar. Many people switch to sweeteners thinking they're safer, but artificial sweeteners still raise your insulin, confuses appetite regulation, increase cravings for sweet foods, and can disrupt your gut health. They overstimulate your taste buds, making real food like fruits and vegetables feel not sweet enough. So while they may reduce calories, they often increase cravings. Not all sweeteners are equal. Agave syrup is extremely high in fructose, stresses the liver, and increases fat storage. Better options in moderation: raw honey, pure maple syrup, still sugar but less processed and more supportive metabolically. Carbohydrates matter, but type and timing matter more. Your carbs should come from vegetables, whole fruits, whole unprocessed foods, because fiber slows sugar absorption and keeps insulin levels stable. Pair fruits with proteins or fat. Eat starchy carbs after training. Choose sweet potatoes, parsnip, or beetroots instead of refined breads or pasta. According to the World Health Organization, less than 10% of daily calories from free sugar is their recommendation, or ideally below 5%. That's roughly 6 teaspoons of sugar per day. And how much sugar is there in 1 can of cola? Well, almost your entirely daily limit. You don't need to eliminate sugar, you don't need to fear food, you just need to fuel smart. Focus on protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Reading labels, choosing whole foods most of the time. Small changes, stable energy, better hormones, and sustainable weight. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like it, save it, or share it with someone who needs it. If you want guidance designed especially for life after 50, please visit my website www.healthyover50.com or subscribe for more practical, science-based health content. Healthy choices today are the foundation for a stronger, more vibrant tomorrow. And I will speak to you in the next one.